I think we noticed that like maybe it was good that we had that chance beforehand to play around with the Littlebits.
Okay.
Just to be more familiar with what some of the pieces did. And then we watched a video first as well. And we kind of noticed one of the videos had a revolving thing. And so we were lucky and fortunate that we had this wheel piece that Scott was able to snag before anyone else.
Yeah, so we based, like he was saying, we based our idea off something we saw that was initially invented.
Okay.
And then the three of us adapted to what we had available to us in terms of tools and materials. And we went through several versions before it would work, of course. And we decided to make it as simple as possible to be successful. And that's why it's 1.0, it's the first version. And after we did construct the model, we drew the diagram, which is the opposite of what you should do. But for us,
fair enough.
We're more tactile learners, so for us it was better to have hands-on, and then we had an excellent artist in-house.
Good.
And then we were, I think we were successful.
Yeah, we did have some challenges though, just with like getting the wheel to gain some traction.
Okay.
So we kind of, like Scott said, just adjusted that a little bit, like how much material we used. And
Okay.
Yeah, we decreased the amount of cotton ball, and we affixed it in the heat so it has some sort of a grip on the outside. What else did we do?
Well, then
even
the
fitting the
circuits.
wheel on to the motor.
Yeah, and then the circuits kept coming apart because we wanted them out
That's
of the way.
right. Yes.
So then we had to develop a remote, kind of like a Wii game. You've got your remote, and then you've got your action, your motor. So
Very
just
good.
like keeping the circuits together.
Yeah, so we affixed the popsicle stick. That was a great idea that you had. And then we taped them around so you could hold it, and they worked. The circuit wasn't stopping the flow of electricity coming through, and it was good.
And how did you guys' thinking change? That's always a tough question.
I think with myself, I was kind of thinking it would have to be more complex.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like it was maybe
Doesn't
too
have to
simple?
be so complex.
Yeah, okay.
It could be just simple.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think we all maybe wanted to gravitate towards more of the more complex.
All right.
You telling us that you can make a iPhone car.
Yeah.
This times.
So you set the bar high and you're...
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think there's a lot to be said in terms of sometimes a simplistic approach sometimes works well. So, great. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.